Okay, this is going to be a little explanation about sanding. I've showed you grinding and talked about sandpapers and PowerPoints. This is a 5-foot belt sander that we have, primarily used for woodworking. I'm going to show you in a second video some ways for sanding things like aluminum. But take a couple of opportunities here to show you some things. This is very unusual. It's 16 grit sandpaper, and you can see the how spread it out is. It's an open coat, obviously, and these are huge grains for sanding. And this would you would really make really rough on just about anything you tried to sand this with. Then we have some other sandpapers. This is, you can read the back, and it says 60 it's the original name for aluminum oxide. And this is 60 grit, so it's still pretty rough. And then we have 120 and 220. These are garnet papers. These are only for doing woodworking, and that's all you would really want to use it for. I said we have a 5-foot effective belt sander. This is a belt for a portable sander, and when the belts are put in this way, typically we'll have something in here that will say which direction you should run it in so that the joint will fit properly. I'm going to very briefly operate this, and you'll notice at this end it has some stops so they won't know this is a piece for a table saw dado head, but it's a little too thick, so we've got to sand it down. You'll notice the oscillation. You notice that it oscillated. It's one of the features of this. This table will also bend. That end will bend. Do not use that side unless you want to shoot your piece across the room, because it'll get away from you and end up on the other side of the room. This way, you can stop. Like I say, you can angle this. You can do stuff at angles. Very handy sander.